Techno India Group.
I am Chiranjit Kumar Saw, student of Civil Department from 1619 batch. I am a student of final year. I have taken admission in Civil Polytechnic because as compared to other colleges, in that institute, the lab equipment and the education facilities provided here is better than the other colleges. In Civil Department, labs available like Concrete Technology Lab. In Concrete Technology Lab, we have done all the experiments successfully. Just like I've done mixed design. In mixed design, which is done by compression testing machine. In survey lab, the most interesting part is we have visited so many places regarding survey, and also the campus surrounding is very friendly to conduct survey lab. And at last, I want to share about the instrument total station, which is very expensive and very advanced equipment. It is available in our college. In the hydraulics lab, all the instruments are available there, and the lab instructor, which is very cooperative and energetic. Now, AutoCAD lab. Its system is used 1:1 ratio, so it is very effective to learn AutoCAD software. Now, I am a student of final semester, and I have developed that much confidence and knowledge that an industry required from a civil engineering student. That's all. Thank you.
I am Abhishek Kumar from Civil Department. I am from 2015-18 batch. I just passed in 2018 and I just topped in Civil Department from SBT Jharkhand. Behind my success, all credit goes to our teachers. I doesn't have any extra tuition because all the things are available in our college. Everything provided by the teachers. All the I also used to listen to all the lecture. Now I am working in JCST as per my rank. I just selected in JCST. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Myself Pradipkar Gupta. I am the student of 2015-18 batch. I am from Civil Department. All type of experiment students are available as my knowledge, because every type of experiment has been done. So this institute gives more and more for me. That's all. Thank you.
Myself Ankit Kumar Gupta. After passing my matriculation exam, I decided to take admission in technical college, and after searching so many colleges, I found Silli Polytechnic College, and I was a family member of this college for the last 3 years and passed it in 2018. Passing the diploma exam, I worked for a few months in Jusco company under the construction department, and for these achievements I thankful to my teachers and my parents too. That's all.
My name is Nihil Bhardwaj and I have done diploma in civil engineering from Silli Polytechnic. Now I got the opportunity in IIT Madras for the training of 2 years. For this opportunity, I want to credit my parents and the faculty members, staff, principal sir of this college.
Techno India Group,